Did you ever think that something as seemingly innocent as a pomegranate could harbor hidden dangers? Today, we're going to uncover the surprising truths about this beloved fruit. Prepare to be shocked as we delve into the unexpected risks lurking beneath the surface of those ruby red seeds. From medication interactions to dental dangers, this exploration will change how you view pomegranates forever. So, without any further ado, let's get started. Number 1. Nutritional Spotlight. Pomegranates stand as shining examples of nutritional excellence, boasting a remarkable array of essential nutrients vital for overall health and well-being. Bursting with antioxidants such as polyphenols and flavonoids, these crimson jewels combat oxidative stress and inflammation within the body, promoting longevity and vitality. Additionally, pomegranates are rich sources of vitamin C and K, bolstering immune function and supporting bone health, respectively. Their generous fiber content not only aids in digestion, but also contributes to satiety, making them an excellent choice for weight management. Moreover, pomegranates offer a unique combination of nutrients that synergistically work to enhance heart health, reduce the risk of chronic diseases, and support optimal cellular function. From protecting against free radical damage to promoting gut health and beyond, the nutritional bounty of pomegranates is truly remarkable. By incorporating these nutrient-packed fruits into your diet, you not only nourish your body, but also embark on a journey toward vibrant health and vitality. So let the nutritional spotlight shine brightly on pomegranates as you reap the countless benefits they have to offer. Number 2. Hidden health risks. Despite their stellar nutritional profile, pomegranates harbor hidden health risks that often fly under the radar. One such risk involves their interaction with medications, a factor that many overlook. Compounds within pomegranates can interfere with the absorption and metabolism of certain drugs, potentially diminishing their effectiveness. This is particularly concerning for individuals on medications like statins or blood pressure medications, where even slight alterations in dosage can have significant consequences. To navigate this hidden danger, open communication with your healthcare provider is essential. By discussing your dietary habits and any potential interactions with medications, you can ensure that your treatment remains optimal while still enjoying the nutritional benefits of pomegranates. Understanding and addressing these hidden health risks empowers you to make informed choices that prioritize both your well-being and your love for this vibrant fruit. Number 3. The Allergy Factor. Despite being hailed as a nutritional powerhouse, pomegranates can pose a surprising risk for some individuals: allergies. Certain proteins found in pomegranates, known as lipid transfer proteins, can trigger allergic reactions ranging from mild to severe. These reactions may include skin irritation, itching, swelling, or even anaphylaxis in extreme cases. Individuals with known allergies to related fruits like peaches or peanuts should exercise caution when introducing pomegranates into their diet. Prior to incorporating pomegranates, allergy testing is advisable to identify any potential sensitivities. While pomegranate allergies are relatively rare, they can have serious consequences for those affected. Understanding the allergy factor empowers individuals to make informed dietary choices, ensuring their safety and well-being. By being vigilant and proactive, individuals with known allergies can navigate the potential risks associated with pomegranates while still enjoying the myriad health benefits they offer. Prioritizing safety alongside nutrition allows everyone to savor the goodness of pomegranates without compromising their health. Number 4. Blood sugar blast. Pomegranates are often celebrated for their ability to positively impact blood sugar levels, thanks to their rich nutrient profile and high fiber content. However, it's crucial to approach their consumption with moderation, especially for individuals managing blood sugar levels. While the natural sugars in pomegranates are accompanied by fiber, which helps regulate sugar absorption, excessive consumption, particularly in the form of concentrated juice, can lead to unexpected spikes. This is especially concerning for those with diabetes or insulin resistance, as rapid fluctuations in blood sugar can pose health risks. Opting for whole pomegranate seeds rather than processed juices allows for a slower release of sugar, mitigating the risk of spikes. Additionally, pairing pomegranates with protein or healthy fats can further help stabilize blood sugar levels. By being mindful of portion sizes and incorporating pomegranates into a balanced diet, individuals can enjoy their nutritional benefits without compromising blood sugar control. Understanding the delicate balance between enjoyment and moderation ensures that pomegranates remain a delicious and healthful addition to any diet. Number 5. Dental dangers. While the vibrant flavor of pomegranates is enticing, their high acidity poses potential risks to dental health. Despite being natural, this acidity can gradually erode tooth enamel, leading to increased sensitivity and susceptibility to cavities. Although not as acidic as some citrus fruits, pomegranate juice still contributes to the demineralization of enamel over time. To mitigate these risks, it's crucial to practice thorough oral hygiene and moderation when consuming pomegranates. Rinsing your mouth with water after indulging can help neutralize acidity and protect tooth enamel. Additionally, incorporating pomegranates into meals rather than consuming them alone can reduce direct exposure to teeth. By being mindful of the impact of pomegranates on dental health and adopting preventive measures, individuals can enjoy their nutritional benefits without compromising their smiles. Prioritizing oral hygiene alongside dietary choices ensures that the vibrant taste of pomegranates can be savored without detrimental effects on dental well-being. Number 6. Digestive distress. Despite their reputation for promoting digestive health, pomegranates can sometimes trigger discomfort, particularly for those unaccustomed to a high-fiber diet. While the fiber content in pomegranate seeds offers benefits like improved bowel regularity, some individuals may experience bloating, gas, or even diarrhea when consuming them in excess. To avoid digestive distress, it's important to introduce pomegranates gradually into your diet, allowing your digestive system time to adjust. Starting with small portions and gradually increasing intake can help prevent unpleasant side effects. Additionally, pairing pomegranates with other fiber-rich foods and staying hydrated can aid digestion and minimize discomfort. Listening to your body's signals and adjusting your consumption accordingly ensures a positive experience with pomegranates while reaping their nutritional benefits. By striking a balance and being mindful of your body's response, you can enjoy the goodness of pomegranates without any unwanted digestive disturbances. So next time you indulge in this nutritious fruit, do so with moderation and consideration for your digestive well-being. Number 7. Medication mayhem. While pomegranates offer a plethora of health benefits, their interaction with certain medications can create unexpected challenges. Compounds found in pomegranates have the potential to interfere with the absorption and metabolism of various drugs, particularly those with a narrow therapeutic range. This interaction is of particular concern for individuals on medications like blood thinners, statins, or antihypertensives. Even minor alterations in medication efficacy can have significant consequences for health outcomes. To navigate this potential minefield, it's essential to consult your healthcare provider before incorporating pomegranates into your diet, especially if you're on prescribed medications. Open communication with your healthcare team allows for informed decision-making and adjustments to medication regimens as needed. By understanding and addressing the nuances of medication interactions, you can enjoy the nutritional benefits of pomegranates without compromising the effectiveness of your treatment. Prioritizing your health through careful consideration of medication mayhem ensures that you can savor the goodness of pomegranates safely and responsibly. While pomegranates offer numerous health benefits, it's crucial to be aware of the potential risks they pose. By balancing enjoyment with moderation and mindfulness, you can savor the goodness of pomegranates without compromising your well-being. Thank you for joining us on this eye-opening journey into the world of pomegranates. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content. Until next time, stay healthy and informed.